Next phylum, Echinodermata. Echinodermata. So Echinodermata means spiny body. Echinodermata means spiny body. Spiny body. Spiny body means, for example, starfish. So they are the one starfish. In the starfish, the presence of the spines. This like the spines are present. Spiny body is present. The spines are present. So the spiny body. So they are called as Echinodermata. The name Echinodermata because of spiny body. Body, the presence of the spines are present. So they are called as spiny body. General characters. First one is the habitat. Habitat. So they are completely living in marine water. Completely living in marine water. These are completely living in marine water. Next one, level of organization. Level of organization. Level of organization. Organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization. Level of organization. Organ system level of organization. Next one, symmetry. Very, very important. Symmetry. So in this echinodermate symmetry, the larvae are bilateral symmetry. Larva. Echinodermata larva. Larva. Bilateral symmetry. Larvas are bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means the organism cut into only one axis divided into two equal parts is called bilateral symmetry. Larvas are bilateral symmetry. Adult Echinodermata adults. So adults radial symmetry is present. Radial symmetry. Adults, the presence of the radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means the organism cut into any axis divided into two, many axes divided into two equal parts. For example, starfish, 5 axes divided into two equal parts is called pentamerous radial symmetry. So very, very, very important character Echinodermata symmetry. Larvas are bilateral symmetry. Adults are radial symmetry. Next one, germ layers. Germ layers. So in the germ layers, these are the triploblastic. Germ layers are triploblastic. Triploblastic means in embryonic stage, 2 germ layers are present. Outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, inner endoderm. 3 germ layers are present. They are called as triploblastic. Next one, elementary canal. Elementary canal. So in this one, these animals complete elementary canal present. Complete elementary canal. Complete elementary canal is present. Mouth present in ventral side. Lower side, ventral side. Mouth present in ventral side. Anus present in upper side, means dorsal side. So they are the mouth present in lower side, anus present in upper side, ventral side and dorsal side. Next one, skeleton. Skeleton. So the endoskeleton is formed by the calcareous ossicles. Endoskeleton. Endoskeleton is formed by calcareous ossicles. Calcareous ossicle. Endoskeleton is formed by the calcareous ossicle. This calcareous ossicle, their formation of the spiny body. Calcareous ossicle, their formation of the spiny body. So the name is the Echinodermata because of spiny body is present. Spiny body is present. Next one, very special character. Next one, water vascular system. Water vascular system. So in this echinodermate, the presence of the water vascular system. Echinodermate's presence of the water vascular system. So in this water vascular system, these are helps into the functions. Water vascular system functions. Very important. Water vascular system functions. First one is the locomotion. Locomotion means movement. They are helps for the locomotion. Collection and transport of food. Collection, gathering of food. Gathering and transport. Transport of food. Collection and transport of food. So they are the second character, gathering or collection of the food and transport of the food. Next one, third one is the respiration. Respiration means exchange of gases. So in this very special characters, echinodermates, the presence of the water vascular system. So in this water vascular system, there are three functions. One is the locomotion function, second one is the collection and transport of the food, third one is the respiration. Next one, in this echinodermates, excretory system is absent. Excretory system absent. Excretory system is absent. Absent of excretory system. Next one, reproduction. Reproduction. So in this reproduction, male and females are separate. Male and females are separate. Male and females are separate. So they are the dioecious. Male and females are separate. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. External fertilization. External fertilization. External fertilization means the fertilization occurring the outside the body. External fertilization. Development indirect. Indirect development. Indirect development. Presence of the free swimming larva. Indirect development means presence of larva. Free swimming larva is present. Free swimming larva. The presence of free swimming larva. So these are the characters of the Echinodermata. Examples: Asterias. Asterias. So these are the starfish. Asterias, starfish. Next one, Echinus, sea urchin. Echinus, sea urchin. Echinus, sea urchin. Antedon, sea lily. Sea lily, Antedon, sea lily. Next one, Cucumeria, sea cucumber. Cucumeria, sea cucumber. Sea cucumber, Cucumeria, sea cucumber. Ophiura, brittle star. Ophiura, brittle star. Ophiura, brittle star. So these are the examples. Example: Asterias, starfish. Echinus, sea urchin. Antedon, sea lily. Cucumeria, sea cucumber. Ophiura, brittle star. So these are the phylum Echinodermata.